Welcome to today's Airsoft mission. The game mode is to capture the objective and to push it into the enemy base. It won't be easy, as they start closer to the objective and their base is easily bunkered down into. Brad and I are determined to put our skills to the test by taking the left flank with just the two of us.
Mate, that hit you. That hit you as well. Mag.
I'm in an awkward position. I need to balance the angles that I present myself to while also trying to cut through this thick foliage.
Nice one, Brad. There's a runner going up to him. Mag. They're shooting my tree, but I can't move. Hit! Nice one!
There's that balancing act. I present too much on my rear whilst trying to hold off the main force, and it bites me in the bum. My team couldn't medic me in time, so I respawn and come back for some revenge.
The one I just killed, there was one to his left. Have you got him? He's on the floor. Oh, he's hit, he's down. Oh, hello. Is there any actually out the van?
Careful, look to the right.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna knife him, hold on. Hit!
Our team is unable to push them back. We're no longer playing to win, just not to lose. Let's school them in defense and zone control.
15 minutes remaining!
15. Everything okay?
Oh, I was out of ammo, just
We're doing some buildings this afternoon. Do you want to borrow it to melee weapon?
got melee. Oh, you mean that melee weapon? Can I have a medic, please? Yeah, don't worry about it.
How's your day going?
It's, you know, it's pretty slow. Been alright.
Safe, innit?
Yeah. Oh, lovely. Thank you about that. Got a sneaky breaky to our right.
To your left, I can see sneaky.
Oh, that's it. Well, he's more sneaky than them, lot.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for all your boys down there today. This is the first day where every time I've come safe for somebody else, so thank you very much. No worries.
Come on, show your ass again.
You don't get a pay rise now. Sorry, rise? Does that indicate that we pay them anyway? Well, we pay them in sweets and fizzy drinks.
Mag.
Are you paying your berries in sweets again, mate? No. Promise? No promises? I'm going to replace you with sweets with puppies or kittens. No, that's too expensive. Alright, a bunch of airsofters play with BBs.
Where are my shots going? Are they dropping before him? I've got a right skill this shit today.
Oh.
I know. It's no good.
This radio's fun.
Ooh. Go slow. Did he shout at me?
I don't know. I heard somebody.
Got him. Alright, so I don't have a skill issue on him.
Just racking your brain. Reloading.
It's a bit shit when it's these mags. Oh, I can't check if I was skill issued or not. Where did that BB come from? It just came out of the fucking sky.
The mortaring round now.
Those guys are alive, aren't they? Come on, hit me. Aim a little up. A little up. Up.
Oh, close.
We'll do this again. I don't think I can get you, laddie.
Don't forget your mag that you've dropped.
Nah, I'll forget it, it's fine. Shit in it. Hey! There we go.
You took your head badge.
Yeah, they finally took it. I don't see any out there, but you can go for it.
Okay.
Right, I'll try and spot for you.
Key, get down. I'm coming up.
Oh, there's a couple over there.
Oh.
Right, I'll couple that way here. Oh, lift it up a little bit.
Oh.
The scope's quite high up in comparison. That's it. Can you see down the scope?
No, just take it.
Alright, no worries.
I think I'll do airsoft for you then.
I Right. Were they able to shoot you up here?
Yeah, they.
Get close?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. I see, yeah. Come on. Yep, got him.
Yeah, what's it? I got actual things. Is it already caught?
Watch out, there's only 2 allowed up here at a time.
You can't go up there, it's
Hey! Cheers. Cheers. Oh, that's back. Helps with the tempo, doesn't it?
I need a gun run. Just a lot of gas.
Yeah. There you go. Just press plus on the left side on that. That should be somewhat right. Watch out! Watch out! Pistol. There you go. Take that. Thank you. Thank you. It's got right. Got him. I have no. Oh, sugar, I'm getting low. Let's get that good start. Right, that's that. I'm out and all. Cheers. Right. Oh.
Last point, that ended on a draw. So, I do not like to finish on a draw. So we're going to have a straight western shootout. I need a no band member with a pistol. Somebody hold your hand up. Thank you very much. And I need a... Thank you very much. You've got the one with the slowest trigger pull. This is going to be proper western style. Back to back. On my call, you will each take 10 paces in line with my counting. When I get to 10, turn and fire. Are you ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No man's win! Can I borrow that? Is that not your BBs in that? No, we're not. Okay.
I don't know if that was a threat or a promise there.
Last thing to mention, if you need a marshal to move, do not shoot them in the ass. Can I borrow yours? One.
I'm lucky to win a very close duel, so our team claims victory. Thank you for watching till the end. You can find some Amazon affiliate links to some of the gear I use in the description. It would really mean a lot to me if you like, comment and subscribe. It really helps a small channel like mine. Please remember to stay honest and have fun.